Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a feather. I haven't done like a really simple item in forever, so I'm going to go over just a real simple item, and that is going to be a feather. Like I said, it's going to be step by step, completely for beginners, and that's pretty much it. So let's go over it. Should be a simple one. Before you do that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw things of all types, anime, whether it be like simple items like this or anything else, absolutely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. Basically everything I do is within like these 10-minute increments, so they're all short. So if that sounds good to you, absolutely subscribe. So let's get going. All right, first thing I'm going to do here, excuse me, is I'm going to draw the very middle of that feather. But sorry, I haven't used a Sharpie for one of these in forever. I normally don't recommend them, but I was like, why not? Might as well try it and change things up. Excuse me, I didn't sleep very well. I'm starting to remember why I don't use these Sharpies, because they smell not so great. I know the smell's bad. I'm gonna probably retire the Sharpie and use something else after this drawing. After the first time using it in forever. It gets bigger as it gets to the bottom. Zigzag here. Zigzag here. Pulling up over here, it's going to become up to down. Well, kind of. It's mostly going to kind of look like a, well, we'll see as we go up, okay? Going to pull up here, kind of curve over, and then what I'm going to do here on this side, curve here. Oh, I don't know how people use these things to draw. These are gross smelling. Gonna keep going, more or less. It's gonna look like a bit of a blade almost. Down over here on this side. In over here a little bit. Out over here. In. Curve in here, back. Whew, man, this thing's horrible smelling. Sorry, I can't get over this smell. This horrible marker. And now we're gonna, the striations go from the inside out. So you're gonna find those and pull out like that. Preferably it being a thinner line, because thinner lines are just better. I'm sorry, thinner lines also because it's detail that you're adding here. And you can come up, you can do it from the outside in or the inside out. Really simple. Simple stuff. Kind of looks like a leaf in a way as well. And these are more or less random. You just want to make sure they're all going in the same flow. All right, let's do another one here. It's gonna be more. This one's gonna be more like a butter knife shape. So I'm gonna draw a little bit. This stick right here. Pulling up in here, pulling up in here. Up. And then it's going to pull over here at the end. So we're going to just more or less make it kind of like straight, like one simple stroke. Like there, pulling down. Up, same thing over here. And this is going to pull a little bit now. We're going to do it here. And then see how like that one's like a lot more butter knife shaped. It's a little bit different. It's thinner and stuff. Looks a lot less like a leaf as well. Then you're gonna pull in different areas. Line over here. Like so. Line over here. So same thing. You're following the flow, and that's kind of like the growth of it, right? And that flow is kind of what Alexa, stop. That flow is kind of what dictates this entire thing. So that's what's kind of good about it. But yeah, that's pretty much how to draw a leaf. And there's many ways to do that, but that would be like, let's do one more up here. And over here, this is gonna be the smallest one. Same thing. That middle portion's almost always the same. Go over here. This one's gonna be a little bit more like that. This is gonna a little bouncier. Kind of straighten that out. And that's pretty much it. That's how to draw a feather. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're amazing. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. I don't do really simple stuff like this, but I will start if if anybody requests it. I do a lot of stuff at request, but thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Say hi to me right now if you can hear my voice, and then we'll hang out, all right? Online. Yeah. Talk to you later. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website, but go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare, and that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.